In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update GCash on iPhone. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for ensuring they run smoothly and securely. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen. It's a blue icon with a white letter A formed by 3 sticks. Tapping on it will launch the App Store. This is the gateway to all your apps, updates, and a host of new content. Opening the App Store is the first step because it's where all app updates are managed. Next up, use the search bar at the bottom of the screen. The search bar is located on the far right, marked by a magnifying glass icon. Tap on the icon and a search field will appear at the top. Type in GCash to find the app. This search function is a powerful tool, allowing you to find any app quickly without scrolling through endless lists. Once you have typed GCash, tap the blue search button on your keyboard. This action will take you to a list of results related to GCash. Generally, the official app should be the first result you see. It's important to ensure you are selecting the official GCash app. This ensures you're getting the genuine update and not a third-party app. From there, tap on the GCash app to open its app page. This page will provide detailed information about the app, including its latest updates, features, and user reviews. This page is important because it lets you see what new features or fixes the update includes. Now look for the update button. If there is an update available, you will see a blue button that says Update. Tap it. This initiates the downloading and installation of the latest version. If you see the word Open instead, it means your app is already up to date, so there's nothing more for you to do. Seeing Open should give you peace of mind, knowing you're already running the latest version. After you tap Update, the app will begin downloading the latest version. You might notice a progress circle replacing the Update button. The circle fills as the download progresses. For larger updates, this might take a little longer depending on your internet connection speed. It's reassuring to watch the progress because it confirms the update is actively being installed. Once the update is complete, the button will change to Open. This indicates that the update has been successfully installed and you can now launch the app to enjoy any new features or improvements. Remember, keeping your apps updated not only gives you access to new features but also ensures your app is running optimally and securely. And there you have it. You've successfully updated GCash on your iPhone. Remember, regular updates are a key part of maintaining your device's health. They protect against security vulnerabilities and enhance your user experience. Thanks for watching and make sure to keep your apps updated. See you in the next video.